I got a match versus this kid I came and got on MW3. It's versus Panda. His third map. He never even sent me a message or anything like that. Fresh Panda. Last met 3 minutes ago after he beat me second map. He didn't message me or anything or invite me back. I left. He didn't message me or invite me back. As you can see, I got another match for MW3 right here. He's saying 902. I took proof. I'm taking proof. GG, as you can see. Fresh Panda, as you can see. There you go. Last met 4 minutes ago. 1 minute he forfeits. It's 0-4. This Tommy Voss kid too is trying to say that I forfeit first map when I was in his game. He said that I joined at 0-2 when I joined at a clock.
Okay, well, dumbass, you gotta pick a team, you dick face. I already got a message of you saying you forfeit first map, okay, dumb motherfucker? Nothing.
Okay, I'm just about to smack him, GG, but as you can see, Panda forfeits, GG.